Hi, it's Tina and Tim again. And again, we're sticking to the Child Protective Services topic. This next question is, I'm sure everybody wants to know, are you able to find out who made that report against you?
So the answer to that is a quick no. Reporter information is protected under the law as anonymous. It's confidential. So if you request or you subpoena the records, your attorney subpoenas the records of the case, those will be redacted out. They're a protected class of information. And we do that, and the CPS does that so that it really encourages people to make reports for that reason, so that there's no fear of retribution. Do people figure it out? Sure. People always have hunches, but remember this, you can say, I know Johnny, my ex-husband made that report. The CPS reporter cannot confirm or deny any reporter or source information. Under very rare circumstances, may an attorney unseal that information if it's going to be required at a neglect proceeding or in a criminal proceeding as to that witness having to come forward and testify. But even that's very, very difficult because the information that they have provided to the state central registry in and of itself is the witness statement. And that can actually be testified to by the CPS investigator and stuff under oath. And that gets into some more stuff when you're dealing with neglect proceedings and criminal matters. But short answer, no, source information is completely protected under the law.
Great, thanks, Tim. Again, everyone, don't forget to like our page and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.